After discussing about the expectation for the continuous random variable and discrete random variable, definition of the variance and standard deviation, we now move on to the discussion of the example related to the variance as well as standard deviation. See, though I ask you directly the value for the standard deviation, by default I need to calculate the variance, because positive square root of variance is standard deviation, and indirectly variance is also connected with the expectation. So therefore we will be requiring all these three terms as they are connected with each other. Rather, in the given example, people will ask you all the three values from the given chart or the table. Now here, let x be the random variable giving number of heads in a three tosses of a fair coin, and the probability function for random variable x is given by f of x, right? So 3 by 2.
So E
So
of X.
okay, so we will see. So how is the random variable over here? The random variable over here is discrete random variable, because these are numbers which are real numbers which are denoting the number of heads in three tosses of a fair coin. We know that what is the possibility when three coins are tossed, the head will appear either zero head, one head, two head, or three head, and corresponding probabilities are provided in such case. So accordingly, I will be calculating first value, which is expectation of x. What is the formula for expectation of x in case of the discrete random variable? In case of discrete random variable, expectation of x is given by summation x into f of x. 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8. If you add them together, I am getting the answer as 12 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 2. That is, mu is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, whatever answer he has calculated is correct. The expectation or mu, what we call it as mean, is coming out as 3 by 2. What is the definition of varx? Varx is nothing but expectation of x minus mu whole square. I will be calculating the expectation of x minus mu whole square. What is mu? Mu is 3 by 2. What is x? X is correspondingly taken as 0, 1, 2, and 3. So what is the formula for the variance of x? Varx is nothing but expectation of x minus mu whole square. Whatever term is provided whose expectation is to be calculated, it is summation this value into the corresponding probability. Expectation of x, x multiplied by f of x का summation. Expectation of x square multiplied by f of x का summation. Expectation of x minus mu whole square, everywhere you take x minus mu whole square multiplied by its probability. So पहला random variable is 0. 0 minus 3 by 2 whole square into its corresponding probability 1 by 8. 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square into its corresponding probability 3 by 8. 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square into its corresponding probability 3 by 8. 3 minus 3 by 2 whole square into its corresponding probability 1 by 8. इसका आंसर निकालोगे तो आएगा 24 by 32, which we can get it as 3 by 4. So sigma square is nothing but the variance of x. And how is standard deviation called as? Standard deviation is called as sigma x, or it is denoted by sigma x. It is positive square root of variance of x, and square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. So in such case, we try to find out or calculate the positive square root of the variance, and that comes out to be root 3 by 2. So this was the example in which we calculated the expectation, we calculated the variance, and with the help of the variance, the answer for the standard deviation was to be calculated. So accordingly, we need to simplify and get the answer. So the intention of doing is, though standard deviation is asked, but we have to calculate the variance for that, and for variance we require the mu, that is mean, and that is nothing but the expectation. So all these quantities are required and they are interconnected to each other. Next example, this is a different typical kind of example. Find the mathematical expectation of discrete random variable x whose probability function is given by half to the power x, where x is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now here they are asking us to calculate the mathematical expectation for this discrete random variable which is given by, or whose probability function is given by, discrete random variable is x. Its probability is given by half to the power x. So what will be the value? Half, half square, half to the power 3, half to the power 4, etc. बाइनोमियल सीरीज बनने के चांसेस है, देखते हैं अपन. f of x is 1 by 2 to the power x, where x is equal to 1, 2, and 3. You are asked to find out the mathematical expectation. Mathematical expectation is denoted by e of x. E of x is given to you by summation x into f of x. What is your f of x? F of x is correspondingly half to the power x. Now summation is over 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? What is the value for x varying from? Value for x is varying from 1, 2, 3, and so on. So I will take the summation. 1 into half plus 2 into half a square plus 3 into half a cube plus 4 into half to the power 4 and so on. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? हाफ, हाफ का स्क्वायर इज 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. If you see, the complete expression can be converted to the multiple of 4, क्योंकि यहाँ onward सारा term किसका है? Multiple of 4 है. But here this particular term is not multiple of 4, it is multiple of 2. So purposely I multiply this equation 1. This is an important step which we need to keep in mind, that particularly to get the series with the common ratio, what I word used is geometric series. आपको पता है ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन 1 minus x to the power minus 1 कैसे होता है? 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. So ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज में कॉमन रेशियो लिया जाता है. कॉमन रेशियो मींस नेक्स्ट अपॉन द प्रीवियस टर्म. Now here this is not a multiple of 4 in the denominator, so purposely I need to make it as 4 so that the common ratio is equal everywhere. तो मैंने क्या कर दिया? मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 by 2, that is half. तो e to the power x is multiplied by half. 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 4, 1 by 4 becomes 1 by 8, 1 by 8 becomes 1 by 16, and 1 by 16 becomes 1 by 32. Do the subtraction. Expectation of x minus half expectation of x. This particular term minus the other term. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो क्या बचेगा? हाफ, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32 and so on. Now this is half square, this is half cube, this is half to the power 4, and accordingly as per the geometric series, a is the first term of the sequence, common ratio is half divided by half, half to the power 2 divided by half is half. So इसका आंसर आता है half upon. देखो 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16, इस पे ध्यान दीजिएगा. 1 by 16 upon 1 by 8, half. 1 by 8 upon 1 by 4, answer will be half. So accordingly, what is the common ratio between the two? Common ratio between the two is half. So sequence का क्या rule है geometric series का? First term of the sequence is a and 1 minus r. What is r? R is the common ratio and a is the first term of the sequence. What is the first term of the sequence? It is half. What is common ratio? Half. So half upon 1 minus half, that is 1, and this half goes to on other side, and what is the value we get it as? So expectation of x is equal to 2. So it is not a normal kind of example wherein we calculate the value for the expectation, because arbitrarily the probability function is given to you as f of x is equal to half to the power x, and value for x starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. In a random variable x कहाँ से start हो रहा है मेरा? 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So anyhow वो series में conversion आएगा, और सीरीज में कन्वर्जन करने के लिए आई नीड टू टेक हेल्प ऑफ द ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज. दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज इज कॉल्ड एज ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज. ज्योमेट्रिक सीरीज का मतलब होता है whenever you have the terms a plus ar square, आपने भी पढ़ा होगा before this. a is the first term of the sequence. नेक्स्ट अपॉन प्रीवियस टर्म अगर लेंगे तो कॉमन रेशियो इज r. ar क्यूब अपॉन ar स्क्वायर विल गिव यू r. सो व्हाट इज द सिंपल simplification of this infinite geometric series is answer as expectation of x is equal to 2. ये मेरा simplification हो जाने के बाद I will be cancelling out the numerator and denominator, and then expectation of x will be equal to 2. I hope this particular example is clear. So depending on the probability function, you first use the definition. After using the definition, we see that there is some scarcity of the term. So I multiply by 1 by 2 so that common multiple is taken. Accordingly, do the subtraction of the two series. After subtraction, it is converted to the infinite geometric series, and then you get the answer for the expectation. So these we saw the examples related to the discrete random variable for calculation of the mathematical expectation, and in the previous one we calculated variance as well as the standard deviation. Moving on to the calculation of variance and standard deviation for the continuous random variable. So a continuous random variable having density function f of x as lambda e to the power minus lambda x for x greater than equal to 0 and 0 for x less than 0. What you have to calculate here? Expectation of x, expectation of now, what will be the formula over here? The formula over here will be for the continuous random variable, expectation of x is given by integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x. But here, what is the starting range? X is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means कहां से कहां तक जा रहा है वो? 0 से लेकर infinity तक. So how is my function defined as? My function is defined as f of x is equal to lambda e to the power minus lambda x. By definition of expectation of x, as per the Liet rule, integration by parts will be applicable. So expectation of x for continuous random variable is integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx, integral from 0 to infinity lambda e to the power minus lambda x into x dx, right? So this is how we will be getting it. Lambda is constant term which can be taken outside the integral. Liet rule लगाइए. First function into integration of second. What is integration of e to the power minus lambda x? It is e to the power minus lambda x upon minus lambda minus derivative of the first, and ये minus lambda as it is रहेगा. Again integration to be taken as e to the power minus lambda x upon minus lambda. So this gives you minus of lambda square. So how is the simplification over here? X into e to the power minus lambda x upon minus lambda. ये lambda तो बाहर है अपना. Minus 1 upon lambda square into e to the power minus lambda x. So multiply by this lambda inside. E to the power minus infinity is going to be 0 and e to the power 0 is going to be 1. So I get the value for expectation after simplification as 1 by lambda. So e to the power minus lambda is 0, e to the power minus infinity is 0, e to the power minus infinity is 0, e to the power 0 is 1. After simplification of the terms, you get the answer as 1 upon lambda. So expectation of x क्या आ रहा है? 1 upon lambda. What they are asking you to calculate again? Expectation of x square. In the same way, take the product of the two, apply Liet rule, integration by parts. one additional term will be there, x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x होगा, 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 होगा. I told you use generalized rule for integration by parts. U into integration of v minus u dash into double integration of v plus u double dash, alternate plus minus करना है, and triple integration of v. So this is how it is integrated. That generalized rule for integration by parts and the process is known to everybody, and accordingly expectation of x square after substitution of the upper limit and lower limit, I am getting the answer it as 2 upon lambda square. So expectation of x, the first quantity, expectation of x square, the second quantity. var x का एक फॉर्मूला और है अपने पास. This is var x where we have discussed it as x minus mu whole square. This is the definition of the variance of x. Another theorem or property of variance of x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So another definition of variance of x or the theorem related to the variance of x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So why I am using this purposely? Because in the previous steps I have calculated the value of expectation of x square as well as I have calculated the value of expectation of x. तो expectation of x square मेरा आया था 2 upon lambda square. Expectation of x is 1 by lambda जिसका whole square करना है. See, these two quantities are different. Expectation of x square and expectation of x का whole square. These are two different quantities, right? So accordingly, we will have to take care while writing down the terms. So here I am getting the answer 2 by lambda square minus 1 by lambda square. That is giving you answer as 1 upon lambda square. And standard deviation is nothing but positive square root of variance of x. And positive square root of 1 upon lambda square is 1 upon lambda. So in this example, we were asked to calculate the values of expectation of x, expectation of x square, variance of x, and standard deviation of x. Mind well, whenever we are already calculating expectation of x and x square, the definition of variance like this will not be used. Rather, we use the property that as per the theorem, variance of x is given to you as expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So this is the way of calculation of variance, and its positive square root is giving you the standard variation. So another example related to it is for the continuous random variable itself. Let x be the continuous random variable with the density function. भले यहाँ पर वर्ड कंटिन्यूअस यूज नहीं किया है, but as it is density function and given into the range form or the interval form, I identify that this particular example is an example of continuous random variable. So f of x is equal to 3x square, 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, 0 otherwise. Find expectation of x and variance of x. Now here you can use the property variance of x as expectation of x square and expectation of x whole square. Abhi expectation of x square they have not asked you, but if you wish to, you can calculate and apply that particular formula क्योंकि expectation of x already आपके पास available है. Otherwise, use the definition. What is the definition for variance of x? It is x minus mu the whole square, and this is how you need to calculate the expectation. Then it is your choice, but it is more convenient to calculate this value and then you go for the variance of x. So expectation of x is given by continuous random variable के लिए minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. Our range is defined only for 0 to 1. So integral 0 to 1 x multiplied by corresponding probability 3x square, 3x cube हो गया. Integration of x cube is x to the power 4 upon 4, and accordingly we calculate the value as mu is equal to 3 by 4. Abhi I am going with the definition of the variance. The definition of the variance is expectation of x minus mu whole square. That is integral minus infinity to infinity x minus mu whole square into f of x dx. our limits of integration are between 0 to 1. म्यू कितना निकला था 3/4. फंक्शन कितना है 3x square. एक्सपांशन ऑफ x minus 3/4 होल स्क्वायर a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3 बाहर ले लिया multiply by x square. All the simple mathematical algebraic terms will be present. Term by term do the integration. Put the limit between 0 to 1. You will be getting the answer as 1/5 minus 3/8 plus 3/16. And this is your variance given by 3/80. अगर आपको निकालना रहता है एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पर आप इंटीग्रेशन क्या कर देते x square into 3x square dx and accordingly integrate that. You will surely get the answer for the expectation of x square, and then expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square will give you variance. But here, to get to know the difference between the two ways of calculation, intentionally they have used here x minus mu whole square into f of x, so that you are familiar to this kind of calculation also. So integral x minus mu whole square. See, mu is nothing but mean. Mean represents expectation, और expectation हमेशा constant value रहेगा. So accordingly, I will have the answer as a constant term, and hence expansion can be very easily done. X minus mu whole square यानी a minus b whole square लगाओ, a square minus 2ab plus b square, इंटीग्रेट करो टर्म बाय टर्म मल्टीप्लीकेशन के बाद. उसके बाद इंटीग्रेशन होगा, put the upper limit as 1, lower limit as 0, simplify it, you get the answer as sigma square, which is variance, as 3/80. अगर आपको बोला गया कि स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन भी निकालना है, so what will be the standard deviation? Standard deviation will be positive square root of 3/80, and that will be giving you the additional factor if needed.